This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Pam Schultz, less than bedroom, greater than BRE number 010139957, LIC number 0088747. Looking for the perfect place for your forever home. One level, great floor plan, cathedral ceilings, central heat and air plus evap. Cooler, covered porch and deck. This gorgeous 5 acres is usable, cross-fenced with 3 pastures, brushed and groomed, and located in the perfect area, just 5 minutes to shopping, services and hospital, and still offering a tranquil country setting. Besides the comfortable 3-bed/2 bath home with living and family rooms, cathedral ceilings with covered porch and decks. Include the workshop with attached oversized carport and horse/animal stalls off the back. You couldn't ask for a better environment. So country and also convenient to multiple surround lakes for boating, the Sierras for skiing, fishing and hiking, plus perfect for day trips to Yosemite. Live in a Sierra Foothill location offering great services, continuous community events for entertainment and fun, plus great dining options. Life can only get better. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Schultz, less than bedroom, greater than BRE number 010139957, LIC number 0088747 at 209-532-7400.